Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to the first day of our new online classroom experience. It's new and different for all of us. I'm really not used to videoing myself giving lessons, and I'm noticing I'm having a really bad hair day. Oh well, I'm sure you guys are still in your pajamas, so we're all even as far as what we're looking like today. Anyway, every day we're going to start with a morning meeting where I'm going to go over the calendar and let you know what you're going to be doing for the day. So let's go ahead and get started. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. Here's how we write our date, March 30th, 2020, or 3/30/20. This is our 124th day of school. So we've got 100, 2 10s, and 4 1s. And in expanded form, whoops, let me do that again. In expanded form, that's 100 plus 20 plus 4 equals 124. Over here, I've got your daily schedule. You're going to start every day with morning meeting. Since you're working from home, you can probably get a snack whenever you want to. Ask your mom and dad first. Then you're going to do your math. In math today, you're going to be learning how to use our math website page and watching a couple videos and learning about how to take a survey. Try and stay out of fights with your brothers and sisters, but since you're all home on top of each other, this might be a good time to get that out of your system. Then go to reading workshop. In reading workshop, you're going to do spelling. You'll find your spelling words there. You can take a pretest and figure out if you're going to study list A or list B this week. You can take a break, play with your dog or your cat. Then you're going to move on to reading. In reading, you're going to try a new website called Kids A to Z. I've assigned you a book there, and I want you to go there and figure out how to use that website and listen to or read the book you're assigned this week. Maybe you want to make a fort now. Get some blankets out, throw them over a table, make a good place to do your quiet read to self time. In writing, today I'd just like you to draw a picture and label it and then put it on Seesaw. If you haven't gotten on Seesaw yet, we're going to be sending a lot of things back and forth with Seesaw, so I want you to do that today, get that all set up. It's a good time now to help your mom and dad with their chores, clean your bedroom, make your bed, and then maybe spend the rest of the day at outside recess. So today is Missed You Monday, and I definitely have missed all of you over the last 3 weeks. It's been a really interesting, strange, crazy time, but I'm sure that you're getting lots of fun family time. That's what I've been doing. I've been going on some hikes outside and spending lots of time with my family. So, good luck today. Please let me know if you have any trouble. Call me, text me, email me, and I will be here to help you. All right. Bye for now.